We are going to discuss about database backups today. So this is particular to Oracle database. Basically, database backup to ensure data security and disaster recovery purpose, where to the business keep running without any downtime or data loss, or that is the main intention. To handle the database backup, we have different strategy and methods. The most common and recommended method in Oracle called RMAN Backup. So that is called Recovery Manager. Basically, it's an integrated tool from Oracle specifically crafted for backup and recovery. It is more robust, like offering a more automated and cohesive method. Yeah, we can achieve both full backup and incremental, and make sure that recovery is with the ease we can do it. And the next thing is data pump, followed by RMAN. This also will be assist backup and restoring database objects, that is logical perspective. When I say logical perspective, for the individual schema or table objects or database objects, for data migration purpose or any particular granular level also, for each object level you can manage it through data pump. It will be in a binary form. Both export and import is possible. And the third is traditional system backup. Very long time ago this was the strategy being used, but nowadays it's obsolete. Copying data files, control files, archive log files through the system operating system or through the third party files. Today we are going to demonstrate RMAN, how we are going to connect, like RMAN with a target. This is the local XC database I'm going to connect with the sys user. Basically, to set up means like we can achieve through archive log. If you want to take a backup with complete archive log as well as full backup and entire database including control file, everything, this is the command we need to do it. Only data file specific backup database is the command. And if you want to take current file, likewise, like so many different options in which you can make use of it. Once it is done, if you want to see what are the backup recently been taken care, like it will be like that. And incremental, this is how we can manage it in different possible manner. Okay. And data bump, this is the syntax, like one basic example I'm given. And after taking the RMAN backup, how to restore it, this is the way, like restore the database and recover the database. Okay. But today, to demonstrate backup with the no archive log mode offline, this is what I'm going to do it. For example, so if I go back to the command line, so first thing is you connect the database, and what is the open mode and log mode available. For in my case, like I am I'm going to connect it here. Okay, so SQL plus sys as sysdba select the open mode and log mode from $database. So now it's in mounted state. So alter database open. I'm just trying to up and run, because okay, now if I rerun it, so now the database is available for users to access. But our intention is to test it with the open mode. How if you take the backup in no archive log mode, how what are the issues will be facing. Like, let us try to understand. If I try to check RMAN target says at key. So if I try to issue the backup database command with the read write mode with a no archive log, generally it will not permit. Let us try to understand. Yeah, see, because no archive mode, only you can take a backup in offline. Okay, so That is the reason we have to change the open status of log mode from mount mode, because it will completely close the connection and kill the connection whatever available, and it will be exclusive mode. In that state we can take a complete backup. Okay, so now I'm going to exit. I'm just coming out of a RMAN. I'm going to connect back. Now I'm going to shut down the database, because after shutting down the database only we can change the status from open mode log mode to mount mode. So that is the reason we are shutting down, so it will kill the active session and all the active connections, everything. Okay. Now the database shut down with the immediate it will kill all the session. Now we are going to start the database in mount mode for backup purpose. Okay, so now let us again recheck it. So now it is mount mode. You see that the open mode is mounted. Now we'll come out of SQL. We'll connect with the RMAN. Now if you take a backup, it will allow to take a backup. This is how the offline database backup we can take it in no archive log. Okay, see, now it's permitting. Before it was raising an exception, correct? But this time it is not raising an exception. It's completely allowing you to take the backup in no archive log mode in offline. This is how we can ensure to do that. Okay, but once the backup is taken, you can come out from RMAN, again connect back to SQL Plus. Okay, now alter database from mount mode to open mode. We can set up this way. Okay, so now the open mode status changed from mounted to open. Now if you rerun it again, you can see that the database ready for use after the backup. Okay, so this is how we can take a backup no archive log log mode. Okay, so you need to change from open mode rewrite mode to or rewrite or open mode to mounted mode. Then you have to take a backup. Once it is backup is done, you have to switch back to the old state with the open mode using the alter database open option. I hope this video is helpful. Tomorrow problem is like in the next session I'll continue about archive log, how to take a backup, how to set up no archive log to archive log, and how to take a backup. This is the online backup, you can call it. For zero downtime and high availability we can ensure it. Okay, so we'll discuss that in the next session. Thank you. Bye.